Hi everybody, it's Mindy and I have a painting here to show you. I'm so surprised because let me tell you, I came home from, I don't know, wherever we were at on Saturday, I believe. And I was like, this was on my porch. It was all wrapped up in brown paper and whatnot. And I was like, no, I don't have anything coming that should look like that. And so I was like totally surprised. So this is from Siobhan, you guys. If you know Siobhan, it's, okay, there's a card taped on here. I gotta get it off. Hang on. Cover Minders Siobhan. She has an Etsy shop. She is such a great person. She always sends me stuff to give away and whatnot, and she's fantastic. And she sent me this. I don't know why. Let's see what the card says. Oh, Siobhan. I saw this at my Joann's, and of course I thought of you. Well, yeah, I want to thank you for being my friend. Oh my gosh, you were my first creator. I'm glad that we can support each other. Thank you for representing the diamond painting community, sweetheart. Oh, and thank you for doing the retreat. Oh, Siobhan, you already do so much for me, Siobhan. You're always sending me cover minders and gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous cover minders, you guys. Of course, I'm going to link her shop below here. She just does great stuff. You guys, that's so sweet of her. And I do not have this. A friend had just told me that they were at their Joann's and they saw this one. And it's one I did not get. So, and it is Susan Wingett. She is one of my favorite artists. Can you see that? Susan Wingett. I love her. She's my favorite. I love her, love her, love her. Look at this cute little gnome. I mean, yeah. And I did not get it. So this is perfect. It's a square drill painting. Look at that. This is, oh, look, it shows you on the box on the side here. So this was packaged for Joann's. So it's got the picture on the box and stuff. So it's a little different than what Diamond Art Club would have done. This is certainly not a review, but I want to see it, and I want you guys to see it. So I knew that Joann's had come out with some more things. Diamond Art Club they were carrying, and I was like, okay, cool. I almost went to my Joann's last week after I got my hair done, but I didn't go. Talked myself out of it, and now look. Thank you, Siobhan. That's so sweet. Is there something else in there? No. Wait. Yes, it's my toolkit. Oh, it's got a new toolkit. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. That's cool. The new toolkits, you guys, I think they're getting a little more customary, if we put it that way. But you still might get like the original toolkit. They're coming though. They're coming. This comes with a QR code. You can warranty your painting with Diamond Art Club when you get it at a store. They still honor their warranty. You just have to register it. It comes with everything that you would get through Diamond Art Club. Here's the little sticker with all the information on it, our painting, and a new toolkit. Love it. I love it. Oh, that's cool. All right. Let's see what we got. What do we get in our new toolkit? Oh, hang on. There goes my stopper. That's my stopper. Little stopper for the tray. It's taken off on me. All right. So far, every time I have gotten a new toolkit, you guys, I have had a matching pen and a squishy. So you'll see that there is a blue pen, sparkly, and a blue squishy. Mine have always matched. I don't know if that's coincidence or what, but we get some multi-placers. Oh, this is interesting. I have 2 of the 7-placers. Normally I get a 4-placer and a 7-placer, but this one has 2 7s. Okay. A bag of baggies, your tweezers, and this has the dual protection thing. They do have some now that they just put, it's peeling. They just put 1 on here, but these are nice branded tweezers. Pink, like ombre. Love it. Here's the tray, which has gold little glittery flecks in it. Look. And then your stopper goes in there. These are so cool. Love it. Wow. I'm impressed. They've got the new toolkits in these. That's nice. All right. So we got that stuff taken care of. Set that over here. And then this is a new addition to the new toolkit. Is this little caddy for your wax. It's still heart wax. There's 2 of them in there, but they come in this nice plastic case. Love that. And then here's some cool additions. Look, a cover minder to hold your paper back. Love that, right? It's got the nice magnets on the back. Love it. This pretty little heart. Very pretty. And then we get a washi tape. Love the washi tapes. Love them. So far, I've just packaged them all back up in my toolkits, and they're all in my paintings, but maybe I'll have to go take them out. Collect all the washi tapes. All right, I gotta see this. You know, I didn't get this, and I don't know why, but I just didn't. And it's a nice soft back canvas. It's upside down. Are you ready? Are you ready to see it? Let's pull it down here so you can see it. Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? So cute. Oh my goodness. What size is this? 56 by 66 centimeters. So 22 inches by 26. It's not huge. I like this size. Okay, I'm gonna roll this back a little bit so that it will lay flat at the top for us. And you can see everything. Okay. All right. It's funny, as I'm sitting here recording, I see on my phone, Diamond Art Club releasing the new DC comic paintings. Oh, funny. All right. So isn't he cute? All these flowers and this big, I don't know, grassy thing here, some plant. He's got his little toadstools. Look at the ladybug. Isn't it cute? There's a little ladybug. See the ladybug? And there's a bee. We've got a pretty butterfly, and it just says find joy up there. Yes, find joy. I love this. I like all this like swirly stuff down here. Can you see what I'm talking about? Let's see if I can get you to focus in up closer. See all this swirly? Look, it doesn't say anything or really make anything. It's just a design in the background. It's kind of cool. But there's your drill field while we're here. Nice and clear. Look at it. See if we can not glare. There we go. That's my big window, you see. My window behind me. I've got a big window up in the wall over there, and the sun's coming through. Not that we have a lot of sun. It's just sun, and it's just light. But isn't it cute? He's so cute. I love my gnomes. You know that. Look at his big sunflower. Or it's a daisy. I think that's a daisy. Anyhow, he's cute. Cute. Here's all your information at the bottom about it. He's called Tall Mushroom Gnome. That's a good name for him. He's got 43 colors. 43. Let's look and see if we can find our ABs. They'll be at the top. They always list them at the top, but there's your symbols. Let's see. What do we have? 140, 141, 140, 133, and 100. Those are our ABs. So a green, an orange, a blue, and white. That'll be perfect. All right, let's look at the drills so we can see what we have. Oh, well, let's see. Let's finish this part. Here's our pamphlet. This is the new pamphlet, by the way. New pamphlet. Hey, while I'm doing this, I might as well tell you, if you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, I do have a code. It is 10 off Mindy. It would save you $10 on your first purchase. And yeah, you can save money on these everywhere, you guys. Here's the sticker sheet that goes with it. So I need to zoom out so we can see everything down here. There you go. These are individual labels they peel off to go on your containers. Love it. Start and end date. You can stick this in a logbook because it's all one big sticker. I love this. Love it, love it. I use this for my logbook. I haven't really used the small ones. I don't put them on the box. Some people put them on the box, but I've never done that. So anyhow, wow. Very woodsy, naturey colors. That's what I would call those. Let's look at them. I'll look at them. The name is on the package. There you go. All right, let's see what we got. All right, gonna zoom you back in now. Let's zoom in. Okay, here we go. So right off the bat, our very first bag is an AB, and it's the white AB, 141. Look at that pretty iridescent coating on there, all those colors popping out. That's gorgeous. Then we have like, oh, a bunch of these. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 739. We got a tan, 2 of the 471. Oh, we got a bunch of these too. Let's see. It's twisted. Sorry, I got a twist. 738. We got 3. pretty, pretty light yellow. We got 2 of those. 2 762s. That's a very light gray. We have a little darker gray. Here's another AB. It's orange. That's the orange one. Very pretty. Love that orange AB. It's really pretty. A brown, a yellow, and a red. What else do we have? Like I just shoved those over there. Just go. All right. Still a lot of big full bags. 33.46. 2 of those. 33.47. 2 of those. 38.61. We got 2 of those. We're into the twosies. 2 937s. Okay, now we got 1 666 red and 1 606 red. So this is a truer red and this is an orangier red. It's cool that they're right next to each other so you can see the difference. Some teal colors, like 3. Oh, this is the AB. I don't think I've ever had that color in an AB before. That's really pretty. I like that. It almost looks like that color, but it's AB. I love it. And then a yellow and a tan. Love that. This might be the last one. Oh, and there's a green. It is not the green I thought it would be. It's not that bright, bright green. It's more of a leafy kind of green, mossy green. We'll call it mossy green. That's pretty. Like it, like it, like it. Wow. Thank you so much, siobhan. Just run through the rest of the colors here so you can see what we got. A little bit of 310. That's not bad at all. Tans and browns, burgundy. How pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. You guys, I love this. I need to know where the ABs are. That one is that green. Where is, oh, look it. So in the leaves here and here, and down here in the grass, we have the one. Oh, it's over here and here and here, here. All in this leafy part, leafy, grassy parts. And then it goes up here into this leaf and up in that way. Oh, I like that. That's a pretty green. I really like that one. The 2 is that orange. Where's the orange? It's going to be bright. I thought it would be in here in our toadstool, but I don't see any in that toadstool. Okay, they've reserved it for his hat. It's in his hat. All through here. And all up in here is that orange AB, all through his hat here. That's a good place for it. Are there any in the ladybug? Yep, there's a few in the ladybug. Right in here, we got a little orange in the ladybug. And then the blue, that's a gorgeous blue. It's number 3. Okay, so it's in his clothes. It is. I saw somewhere, did I see him? Over here. On his shoulder over here, like the sun's coming down that way and hitting him on the shoulder. And then down here in the bottom, we have some of those pretty 3s around the bottom of his, what do you call this? A gown? Is he wearing a gown? I think so. So down here and then up this side. So like this is the light's coming this way and it's shining on this side and making the reflection. There's a little bit here, but not much over here. This is the shady side. So we're not going to get quite the shine over there. And then the 4 is the 1, and of course it's all through his beard, all through his beard. And then there's none in the B. Okay, none in the B, but we do have some up here in the daisy, like in the center of these petals here. Well, just like this, just a few petals right here. Again, sun's coming this way, our shine is here, right? But we have more of the white up in here in this pattern. I told you there's like these little patterns. There's white there, and then the white comes over here into this area over here. I love him. He's so cute. siobhan, thank you so much. I am honored to call you a friend as well. Thank you for sending me this. It's so cute. Cute, cute. And it's a Susan Wingett. I'm checking off my Susan Wingett boxes, you guys. I have, I think, almost all of them now. Almost all of them. All right, let's zoom you out so you can see it. There he is. He's adorable. And oh boy, am I ready. I'm so looking forward to my gnome season, my fairy garden season. I'm so ready. So ready. It was snowing this morning. Yeah, April 18th is when I'm filming this, and it was snowing. I'm ready for this. Flowers, ladybugs, gnomes. I get them all out, do my fairy gardens up, you guys. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, he's so cute. Thank you, Siobhan. You're a gem. Thank you very much. All right. That is all I have. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hi. Hi. I hope you stick around. I do lots of different things, and I'd love to have you. So anyhow, I'm going to go because I have more videos to make. So thank you again, Siobhan. You're a treasure. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye, you guys.